chicken a la king without the chicken. So for that, we go to Wookie Ranch, who makes some of the very best grass-fed, free-range chicken around. And one of the things that makes chicken a la king are the mushrooms. For the mushrooms, we're going to go here to the Mushroom Adventures. Turn this front burner on to low. More butter is more better. Actually, we're going to use about 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter because I like butter. Now with that butter nice and hot, I'm going to whisk in some flour, 1/3 cup here, carefully, very carefully. Whisk it in, whisk it in. This is the a la king part. It makes me very happy. Now it's time to whisk in some unpasteurized whole milk. Good stuff right there. And now for the mushrooms. Plenty of mushrooms. Now, as needed, some chicken broth to keep our consistency just right. A few pinches of sea salt. Sodium, a necessary nutrient. Some Anjou powder. Little garlic powder. And some more liquid. And I almost forgot the secret ingredient. Nutmeg. Nutmeg? And now it is time to do the chicken part of the a la king. And I will put in, this is the breast meat from the Wookie Ranch chicken. I've cubed it. And that should do. Nah, we need more. More chicken meat. More meat. Yeah. All right. Now we'll let that warm up and then we will put it on the noodles. Oh my goodness. That looks good. I'm getting hungry. Time to assemble the entire thing, chicken a la king. So great. We'll start with the noodles that have been cooked according to package instructions. And we will take this. Noodles according to instructions, and of course some over there. The chicken a la king. Oh. I'm getting hungry just looking at it. And if we want, we can add just a little bit of some steamed zucchini on the side. Look at that. There we are, folks. Chicken a la king.